Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Campussifica. Today, we have an exciting video for all the students out there. We'll be diving into the lifestyle of students. Absolutely. A lifestyle category focused on students can provide valuable information and resources to help them navigate various aspects of their college experience. Here are some topics that can be covered under the lifestyle category. Number 1. Student hacks. Share practical tips and tricks that can make student life easier, such as effective study techniques, time management strategies, productivity apps, and ways to stay motivated. Create a schedule. Develop a daily or weekly schedule that includes dedicated time for studying, attending classes, completing assignments, and leisure activities. Stick to this schedule as much as possible to establish a routine. Prioritize tasks. Use the Eisenhower matrix to prioritize your tasks based on their urgency and importance. Focus on high-priority tasks first and delegate or eliminate low-priority tasks whenever possible. Break down tasks. Large projects or assignments can be overwhelming. Break them down into smaller, manageable tasks and set deadlines for each task. This approach helps you stay organized and motivated while making progress. Pomodoro technique. Use the Pomodoro technique to manage your time effectively. Set a timer for 25 minutes and work on a task with complete focus. Take a short break of 5 minutes, and after completing 4 cycles, take a longer break of 15 to 30 minutes. Use productivity apps. Explore apps like Todoist, Trello, or Asana to manage your tasks, create to-do lists, and set reminders. These apps can help you stay organized and track your progress. Find your ideal study environment. Experiment with different study environments to find what works best for you. Some students prefer complete silence, while others may find background noise or instrumental music helpful. Identify a space where you can concentrate and minimize distractions. Take effective notes. Develop a note-taking system that suits your learning style. Use headings, bullet points, and diagrams to summarize key information. Consider using digital note-taking tools like Microsoft OneNote or Evernote for easy organization and searchability. Form study groups. Collaborate with classmates to form study groups. Discussing concepts, explaining ideas to others, and asking questions can deepen your understanding. It also helps break the monotony of studying alone. Number 2. Dorm room organization. Offer tips for maximizing space and keeping dorm rooms clean and organized. This can include storage solutions, space-saving furniture ideas, DIY decor projects, and organization systems for study materials and personal belongings. Utilize vertical space. Take advantage of wall space by installing shelves, hooks, or hanging organizers. This will free up valuable floor space and provide additional storage options. Invest in multi-purpose furniture. Look for furniture pieces that serve multiple functions. For example, a futon can be used as a sofa during the day and a bed at night. Opt for ottomans with hidden storage compartments or desks that have built-in shelves. Use underbed storage. Utilize the space under your bed by using underbed storage containers or bins. These are great for storing items like shoes, extra bedding, or out-of-season clothing. Optimize closet space. Use space-saving hangers like cascading hangers or slim velvet hangers to maximize closet space. Consider using hanging shoe organizers or closet organizers with shelves and drawers to keep your belongings tidy. DIY storage solutions. Get creative and make your own storage solutions. Repurpose items like mason jars for holding pens and small office supplies, or use tension rods in your closet to create additional hanging space. Use drawer dividers and organizers. Keep your drawers organized with dividers and organizers. They can help separate items like socks, underwear, and accessories, making it easier to find what you need quickly. Keep a cleaning routine. Set aside regular time for cleaning your dorm room. Create a schedule for tasks like dusting, vacuuming, and wiping surfaces. By maintaining a cleaning routine, you'll prevent clutter from accumulating and keep your space neat. Number 3. Time management. Provide techniques and strategies for effective time management, such as creating schedules, prioritizing tasks, avoiding procrastination, and balancing academic commitments with social activities. Set SMART goals. Start by setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals. Break larger goals into smaller, manageable tasks to make them more attainable. Create a schedule. Use a planner, digital calendar, or time management app to create a schedule that includes both your academic and social commitments. Block out specific time slots for studying, classes, assignments, and social activities. Prioritize tasks. Determine the urgency and importance of each task. Prioritize important and time-sensitive tasks over less critical ones. Consider using the Eisenhower matrix, categorizing tasks as urgent and important, important but not urgent, urgent but not important, or neither urgent nor important. Time blocking. Allocate specific time blocks for different activities or tasks. For example, designate a block for focused studying, another for meetings or classes, and one for leisure activities. This technique helps you stay organized and ensures you dedicate enough time to each task. Avoid procrastination. Procrastination can lead to poor time management and increased stress. Combat it by breaking tasks into smaller, manageable parts, setting deadlines for each part, and rewarding yourself upon completion. You can also try techniques like the POMODORO technique, where you work for a set period, example, 25 minutes, and take a short break before resuming. Learn to say no. It's important to recognize your limits and not overcommit yourself. Learn to say no to activities or tasks that are not aligned with your goals or priorities. This allows you to focus on what's important and avoid overwhelming yourself. Number 4. Study abroad and travel. Discuss the benefits and logistics of studying abroad, including tips for planning and preparing for international experiences, navigating cultural differences, and making the most of travel opportunities while on a student budget. Research and choose the right program. Look for study abroad programs that align with your academic and personal goals. Consider factors such as the location, courses offered, language requirements, program duration, and cultural immersion opportunities. Research the reputation and accreditation of the host institution or program provider. Financial planning. Budgeting is crucial when studying abroad. Start by researching the cost of living, tuition fees, and any additional expenses in your chosen destination. Look for scholarships, grants, or other funding opportunities that can help offset the costs. Create a realistic budget and save money in advance. Consider using student discount cards and exploring cost-effective travel options. Visa and documentation. Determine the visa requirements for your chosen destination and start the application process well in advance. Ensure that your passport is valid for the entire duration of your study abroad program and check if you need any additional travel documents. Keep copies of important documents like passports, visas, and health insurance in both digital and physical formats. Health and safety. Research the healthcare system in your host country and make sure you have appropriate health insurance coverage. Consult a healthcare professional for any required vaccinations or medications. Familiarize yourself with safety guidelines and emergency procedures specific to your destination. Register with your country's embassy or consulate in case of any emergencies. Number 5. Personal development. Offer advice on personal growth, self-improvement, and building essential life skills. This can include topics like building relationships, networking, public speaking, job searching, and professional development. Set clear goals. Start by setting specific and realistic goals for yourself. Having a clear direction will help you stay focused and motivated. Break down your goals into smaller, manageable steps to make them more attainable. Continuous learning. Embrace a lifelong learning mindset. Seek out new knowledge and skills that are relevant to your personal and professional growth. Read books, take online courses, attend workshops or seminars, and surround yourself with people who inspire and challenge you. Time management. Effective time management is crucial for personal development. Prioritize your tasks, eliminate distractions, and allocate time for activities that contribute to your growth. Use tools like calendars, to-do lists, or productivity apps to help you stay organized. Build relationships. Cultivate meaningful relationships with others. Surround yourself with positive and supportive people who encourage your personal growth. Networking is essential for personal and professional development, so attend industry events, join relevant communities or organizations, and maintain an active online presence. Communication skills. Enhance your communication skills as they are vital for building relationships, networking, and expressing your ideas effectively. Practice active listening, clarity in expression, and adapt your communication style to different situations and audiences. Seek feedback and learn from it. Number 6. Student life and social activities. Explore various aspects of student life, including involvement in clubs and organizations, participating in campus events, tips for making friends and building a social network, and suggestions for exploring the local community. Clubs and organizations. Join clubs related to your interests, hobbies, or academic pursuits. This allows you to connect with like-minded individuals and engage in activities you enjoy. Attend club fairs or browse through your college's website to explore the wide range of organizations available.